Welcome to the Garage USA. Today I will be showcasing my Yatming collection. Yatming was founded in 1970, and although I wouldn't consider it an obscure brand, they did not have the same success as Hot Wheels and Matchbox. Yatming started out by making die-cast muscle cars, European cars, and commercial vehicles. The 1000 series die-casts were considered their main lines. They also had an 8900 series and a cheaper 800 series. They sold die-cast cars under the names Fast Wheel, Real Wheels, Speeding Wheels, Road Toughs, and Street Machines. In the late 1970s, they sold their tractor-trailer designs to JRI Inc., who then sold the trucks under the Road Champs name. The first Yatming in my collection is a Chevrolet Chevette model number 1071. I've had this one for years. I know that this one didn't get much play because, well, I just didn't like it. Surprisingly, it was never spray painted or blown up. The casting is fairly accurate. It has opening doors, and the paint is still good. I have no intention to do anything with this car. Next, I have a 1964 Chevy Impala SS, model number 1070. I picked this one up online and I really like it. The door's open, the paint is in good condition, and someone even gave it some really cool stripes. I have some ideas for the custom work that I plan to do with this one. And finally, the Rolls-Royce Phantom 6, which is model number 1051. This is also a recent acquisition, and I'm not real happy with the car. As you can see, the fit and finish on this car is a little subpar. The casting is decent and looks like the actual car. However, the shape and fitment of the doors are off, and there are a few flaws in the finish. The paint has held up nicely, but the steering wheel that should be on the right hand side is missing. I also don't like the wheels that are on this car. I think it's got some potential to be customized, and I think that might be a project for a later date. I hope you will join me for this series of videos. If you have any questions or if you would like to contact me, send me an email at thegarageusa@gmail.com. And if you enjoyed the video you just watched, go ahead and click like and subscribe. Also, if you ever had any Yatming or other obscure brand in your collection, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.